Construction of quadrilateral. To construct any convex quadrilateral, we need to know five independent elements. Elements are like sides, angles, or diagonals of a quadrilateral. Not all combinations can uniquely define a quadrilateral. There are certain combinations, only those can be used to uniquely define a quadrilateral. There are five such combinations. The first one is when we know the length of four sides and one diagonal. This particular case was discussed in a different video and you can get the link in the description. Second case is when we know length of three sides and two diagonals. This we will discuss in this particular video. Case 3 is length of four sides and one angle. Case 4 is length of three sides and two included angles. Case 5 is three angles and two included sides. Now consider this particular case when we know three sides and two diagonals. For any quadrilateral, we will have the notation with the help of the vertices. Say ABCD. ABCD is a quadrilateral. When we got the lengths like this, how to identify which are the lengths of sides and which belong to diagonals? Now in this representation of ABCD, we can easily tell that AB, BC, CD and AD are sides. AC and BD form the diagonals. So if we observe that the consecutive alphabet representation on the length means it belongs to a side. When we have alternate alphabets given as per the length, it means that belongs to a diagonal. Similarly, if we apply this to PQRS, PQ, QR, RS and PS will form the sides of the quadrilateral, whereas PR and QS form the diagonals of that particular quadrilateral. With that, we can understand here that AC length and BD length are that of diagonals. AB, CD and AD belongs to the side of a quadrilateral. Now we'll start doing the construction. For that, we will draw the diagonal first. Consider any diagonal. Here I am taking AC. AC is of length 6.5. We need a ruler for this, and with the help of ruler, we will mark 6.5 and then we'll mention the vertices here. The first one is A and then the second one here is C. We will also mention the length of this particular diagonal, that is 6.5 centimeters. Once we are done with marking A and C, we have to find the place for B and D. So first we will use the length of CD and AD to locate point D. For this, what we have to do is take a compass and on that set the length of these values. We'll first do CD. CD is 6.5. Set the compass to 6.5 with C as center. We have to draw an arc. Okay, this is the arc for length CD. Now we have to draw another arc, that is from A with AD length. AD is 4.5. 4.4. After setting this to 4.4, we have to change the needle of compass to point A, and from here we have to draw another arc such that it cuts the previous one at a point. And the point where it cuts is the location for vertex D. So this is the place for vertex D. After locating the vertex D, we will join this D to A and also we'll join D to C as well. So with that, we are done with drawing AD and AC, and we will also mark these lengths that AD is 4.4 and CD is 6.5. Now we have to locate the point B. For that we have to use the side length AB and the diagonal BD length. Let us take the BD length, that is 7.1. Set the compass to 7.1 BD. So the needle will go to D, and then we know B and D lie on opposite sides. So we have to take the compass to opposite side, and this side we have to draw a arc. So once we are done with drawing this BD arc, we will draw for AB. AB is of length 5.5. Now set the compass to 5.5 and compass needle goes on point A. From this point A, we will try to draw another arc such that it cuts the previous one. Okay, it didn't cut. And we have to again adjust the position of the previous arc so that they meet at the point. From here it is 7.1. We'll adjust this, we will just extend this arc further. Now see, they have met at a point, and this particular point is for vertex B. After locating this vertex, we will join this two things, that is BD, the diagonal that we have used to locate this point B, and then we will also join AB, the other element we have used to locate B. As we have to complete this particular coordinator, we will also join B to C. For that is the quadrilateral we need. Now we will just mark the sides for BD and AB. This is how we have to draw a quadrilateral when we know three sides and two diagonals.